Good afternoon, that's number one. Can't forget about number one. This is your boy Nerdboy Q with another episode of Just a Quick Four with VBA. So we're going to jump right back into it. We're going to create some new things. We're going to create what's called a new object, actually. We're going to call it a color collection. Here's the thing. This time we're going to have to say new and then the object type. The reason we have to do that is because it's an object, but the difference between this and the workbook and the worksheet is the workbook and the worksheet already exists. There's an instance of that object. For this, we have to create a new one. And now it's created, so all we have to do is we have to add our colors. So now I have my colors here. Instead of me dragging you all through that whole color selection process, I'm going to drop this and simply paste it here. So what it is basically like a dictionary. And with dictionaries, you usually have a word or a key and then a description or a value. That's the exact same way. So there's the value here and then there's the key. So for grass, the color value is this, and you have to do it by color collection.add. So once you've done that, now the nice thing about this is we can clean up this for loop and copy this, and to get the values, just like a dictionary, you have to pass in the key. So you go here and we're going to say color collection, and we're going to pass that in. So what we're setting is interior.color, and then we're going to get rid of all this other crap. We don't need that, and we're going to create one more object, and we're going to call it dim legend. We'll call it legend condition as format condition. Format conditions are real nice. You can do a lot of formatting really quick. So we're going to go down here and we're going to say format legend condition, and we're going to set that equal, but because it's an object we have to say set. Alright, and then we're going to say table data body range format conditions. We got to say dot add, and then we're going to open this up, and the first thing we're going to need is an expression. We don't need an operator because it's an expression, and we'll put our formula, and our formula is going to be equal find, and it's going to end here. So we're going to say equal find, and then we're going to say the character, actually, because we have to close it and put quotes, we'll just do it the easy way and say and we're going to say true in all caps, and we'll say in this double quotes comma, lock it on the M column, start with row 2, and then that's our legend condition. So we're going to say with legend condition, and we always close our statements or our blocks. That should be end with, and we're going to say dot border. We're going to color the borders based on this condition. And we're going to say color. And we're going to set that equal to RGB, I think it's 255, 210, 0. And I think that's like a goldish color. So I'm going to copy that, put it here, and we're going to specify which border we want to color by doing XL edge top. Right here, and we'll do here in XL edge bottom. Boom. And once we've done that, we run the macro, and now all of our types are colored as expected. But one nice thing is now with this color condition, anything that's a legendary that has the value true in this column, which is M, it'll highlight that entire row with gold, letting you know that is a legendary Pokemon. So now today you've learned this, and we're going to end it right here. So we're going to say thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and thank you for subscribing. If you want to get more notifications for our new videos, click on that bell up top. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Y'all keep coding.